Perfect. Yeah, baby!
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys who are first timers subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're going to Sri Lanka today. So this is another episode of my travel vlog. Sri Lanka is a great place. It was kind of like a last minute trip. I was in the Maldives for a week and I was getting bored. First of all, to get to the airport from the Maldives, obviously you have to take a boat because there's a bunch of islands. So just took a boat, zoomed over there, went to the airport, got on the plane, bam. 45 minutes to an hour later, I was in Sri Lanka. First impressions of Colombo, I would say dusty. Looked a little dusty. I put the drone up right when I got there, and this is one of the first places I flew the drone. And you can tell how amateur my hand was. So I was still kind of learning the drone, navigating it, but it's my favorite toy, so I loved it. Of course, I put the GoPro on the front of the car and shot everything. Had the 5D on me. I went to a couple of temples.
This was a Buddhist temple in the middle of Colombo.
Sri Lanka, off top, has like several religions. That's one of the first things I learned when I went there. Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, and they all seem to get along blissfully. Not a problem at all.
And like I said, this was a Buddhist temple in Colombo, in the heart of Colombo, and people were doing what they do in religious buildings. I was just walking around documenting the whole thing. It was interesting to me.
This part of the world I don't get to that much, so I really was taken aback and just soaking it all in. Just driving around the city, sticking the 5D out the window. They have a lot of Hindu temples. Traffic was just buzzing. I got something to eat and pretty much crashed. That's the view from the hotel. I did walk around the city at night a little bit. I didn't bring the camera. And then the next day, once again, put the GoPro to the front of the car, zoomed around, visited a couple of temples, just ran around the city taking pictures and documenting as much as I could. So this is another Hindu temple that I was filming, and this one was just spectacular. I saw it from the street. It was spectacular. I was like, yo, I gotta get over there and see what that is. They have a bunch of these in Seychelles as well, which I'll put that video together later, but right now we're in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and you could just tell how it's cringeworthy, but I wanted to keep it in there, how amateur my hand was as far as movement with the drone. It was, yeah, but hey, I've come a long way. And this is where I actually crashed the drone. My first drone crash. It's not, oh God, it's hard to watch. I ran up, I tried to catch it, damn near ripped my finger off. The engines were still running, and my pinky kind of grabbed the engine and almost got it ripped off.
All right, so I smashed my drone today into a million pieces, into some Buddhist temple that has probably been here a lot longer than me. It almost fell over. I don't know how much that would have cost. Priceless. Drone's done. Grand opening, grand closing.
So thanks for watching my travel vlog of Sri Lanka. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was entertaining. It's cold in this studio. It is raining outside. This is quarantine life. Hope you guys are staying healthy. And I'm going to keep it interesting. I'm going to be making more of these videos because I have nothing but time on my hands. So thanks. I appreciate it. Subscribe. Follow me. See you later.